That's my baby girl. Yo. Kiriku, how far now?
Little boy, how are you?
Exactly, Kiriku. How be you person dey greet you? Person dey greet you.
I put the way for you make us now come
What time you say person you not be greet person? Eh? Kiriku not be you at the talk to. What is the problem? You say person come greet you, you dey do anyhow. Eh?
You know if you tell me draw line for your body, may your big foot for small brother. But you know if you tell her, you don't know whether your small brother dance.
Now you make you the first.
Yes, now you don't know before.
This boy, eh?
What did you say is wrong?
See you come, you don't draw line and no buy something come for him now.
I never knew you had a little brother. Maybe next
But
time.
as you come shout like this, you supposed to buy him something they come.
Don't worry, next time.
You know my baby, yeah. I love you. You be mumu. Baby, I'm coming. That's my baby.
Okay.
What you buy?
It's for your little brother.
Let me see.
No. It's for him. It's a surprise, don't worry.
Surprise? You want surprise Kiriku?
Yes.
But let me see your before
No, don't worry, we'll see it. Okay, when you pull it, we'll see
it's good. Ooh.
My boy, my little boy. How are you doing?
Sir.
I got something for you. I hope you like it. Check it out. Good boy. I hope you're not fighting me anymore. I hope you like it. Huh?
What is this?
Oh, what a gun.
What's that going on? You do thief or police or soldier?
It's just a toy. Harmless.
You follow street. You don't prepare food, fair dress, cookie, bills, or biscuit. You go to bed with a gun.
It's a gun. It's a water gun, a toy.
What may I do thief?
Kiriku. Now water gun be this now water gun.
Water gun? Oku, what do you know this man that up? What do you know to plan?
I know that sound.
Not to the plan.
Plan waiting.
Okay, what am I to do? I don't pass this now.
This thing is just a toy. It's harmless. It's just a toy.
Not to you know how I do thief. I wish that they would do. I'll be sick.
Babe, this is the height of it. I'm done. Every time your brother is always humiliating me. I'm done.
Calm down now.
I can't take it anymore. I'm done, please. I can't.
Kiriku, see. She don't come out. You better beg her.
Adako. Well, take. Go give your brother. You go fit her.
I don't understand.
Have a shoot.